bald eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus, soars majestically as one of North America's most iconic birds of prey, gliding effortlessly over breathtaking landscapes. Despite its name, this magnificent creature is not truly bald. Rather, its name harks back to an older meaning of bald, symbolizing its stunning white head, a crown that enhances its regal presence. With its striking white head and tail gracefully contrasting against a rich, dark brown body and wings, the bald eagle embodies the spirit of the United States, standing tall as a symbol of freedom, strength, and resilience. These awe-inspiring beings often perch majestically atop towering trees or cliffs, vigilantly scanning the waters below for fish, its primary source of sustenance, showcasing its incredible hunting prowess and marvelous adaptability to diverse environments. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, the bald eagle has soared back from the brink of extinction, serving as a powerful reminder of our duty to protect our natural heritage and the incredible wildlife that drives its heartbeat. It's incredible to reflect on the fact that merely 50 years ago, these majestic birds were hanging by a thread, teetering on the edge of extinction. In the tumultuous 1960s, their numbers across the lower 48 states plummeted to fewer than 500 breeding pairs, an alarming decline that ignited a fierce outcry among conservationists and wildlife advocates. The reckless destruction of their habitats, coupled with the catastrophic effects of pesticides and climate change, plunged them into a dire crisis, making the 1970s a pivotal era for their survival. Yet, through the indomitable spirit of dedicated conservationists, we witnessed a miracle, a passionate revival. With habitat restoration and unwavering legislative protections, these incredible creatures have soared back into the skies, standing as a powerful testament to what we can achieve through relentless environmental stewardship and the urgent need to safeguard our natural heritage for generations to come. Each majestic eagle soaring in the sky today embodies the relentless dedication and countless hours of hard work poured in by scientists, fervent conservationists, and everyday heroes who stood firm against the tide of extinction, refusing to let this magnificent species fade into oblivion. Most people envision eagles plummeting from towering heights to seize fish, yet these magnificent creatures possess an astonishing array of hunting techniques that reveal their remarkable adaptability and keen intelligence. Beyond their breathtaking aerial dives, they wade gracefully in shallow waters, meticulously probing beneath the shimmering surface for unsuspecting prey, or audaciously pilfering from other predators when fate smiles upon them, showcasing their relentless opportunistic spirit. These masterful hunters also scavenge carrion, their piercing eyesight enabling them to detect food sources from great distances. Their hunting strategies are a mesmerizing dance across diverse environments, driven by the ebb and flow of available resources, proving they are truly pragmatic hunters, not mere aerial specialists. Whether soaring majestically against the canvas of the sky or skillfully maneuvering through varied terrains, eagles embody the essence of survival, demonstrating that their prowess extends far beyond the realm of flight. Eagle vision transcends the limits of extraordinary imagination. Eagle eyes aren't merely a touch better than human eyes, they are breathtakingly superior optical wonders, exquisitely crafted by nature for extraordinary vision that eclipses human abilities in countless ways. Imagine possessing eagle vision, standing at one end of a football field, and effortlessly reading the fine print on a newspaper at the other end, reveling in the clarity with which you discern even the tiniest details. This awe-inspiring prowess arises from the intricate design of their eyes, brimming with a significantly higher number of photoreceptors, empowering them to perceive a dazzling spectrum of colors and detect movement from staggering distances. Moreover, eagles can see ultraviolet light, an extraordinary gift that allows them to uncover hidden prey, seamlessly blending into their surroundings, solidifying their status as some of the most exceptional hunters in the avian realm. Their phenomenal vision not only amplifies their hunting prowess but also plays a vital role in traversing vast landscapes, identifying daunting obstacles, and recognizing potential threats from impressive distances. A fun fact about the bald eagle's eyes. Their eyes occupy over 50% of their skull, are fixed in their sockets, and contain 5 times more visual cells per area than human eyes. They perceive ultraviolet light invisible to humans and can spot a rabbit moving nearly 2 miles away. Now let us discuss the bald eagle's ecological impact and environmental importance. Apex predation. Bald eagles exert top-down control on prey populations, particularly fish. Studies show a single breeding pair can consume up to 500 pounds of fish annually. Their selective predation often targets diseased or weakened individuals, potentially improving the genetic health of prey populations. Research in the Pacific Northwest documented eagles preferentially capturing salmon infected with bacterial and fungal diseases, effectively reducing disease transmission in spawning populations. Nutrient transport. Eagles serve as biological conduits moving nutrients between ecosystems. When they catch fish and transport them to inland feeding and nesting sites, they redistribute marine-derived nutrients throughout terrestrial environments. Research from some universities suggests that phosphorus levels in the soil beneath frequently used eagle perches are 8 to 15 times higher than in surrounding areas. These nutrient hotspots support distinctive plant communities with measurably higher productivity. Environmental health indicators. As bioaccumulators at the top of the food chain, bald eagles function as sensitive environmental monitors. Their tissues concentrate environmental contaminants to measurable levels. The dramatic population crash in the 1960s, when DDT contamination caused catastrophic thinning of eggshells, provided early warning of widespread ecosystem contamination. Today, eagle blood and feather sampling programs track everything from mercury to flame retardants and PFAS compounds across watersheds. Nest engineering. Bald eagle nests represent significant habitat engineering. Their nests average 4 to 5 feet in diameter and 3 feet deep, but can grow substantially larger over time. The largest documented eagle nest measured 9.5 feet in diameter, 20 feet deep, and weighed over 2 tons. These massive structures create microhabitats supporting dozens of other species. Researchers have documented over 55 bird species, 32 mammal species, and hundreds of invertebrates utilizing eagle nests or nest materials. Salmon nutrient distribution. During salmon runs, eagles serve as significant redistributors of marine-derived nutrients. A 2018 study in Alaska found eagles transported approximately 22 to 24% of available salmon biomass from streams into surrounding forests, depositing nutrients up to 1.5 miles from water sources. Tree ring analysis demonstrates measurably enhanced growth rates in forests with high eagle activity during salmon runs compared to similar forests without eagles. Population impact by numbers. The ecological significance of bald eagles can be quantified. A single adult eagle consumes approximately 0.5 to 1 pound of food daily. The current North American population, approximately 316,700 eagles, collectively consumes an estimated 47 to 95 million pounds of biomass annually. Eagles transport roughly 10 to 12 million pounds of fish biomass from aquatic to terrestrial ecosystems each year. Eagle territories typically encompass 1 to 2 square miles in areas with abundant food. The species' current range influences ecosystem processes across approximately 2.5 million square miles of North America. Ecosystem services. Bald eagles provide measurable ecosystem services including removal of an estimated 8 to 11 million diseased or weakened prey animals annually, creation of approximately 70,000 major nutrient hotspots around active nests, soil enrichment that enhances carbon sequestration in surrounding vegetation, natural decomposition acceleration by scavenging approximately 6 to 8 million pounds of carrion annually, dispersal of aquatic nutrients throughout terrestrial ecosystems, enhancing forest productivity. Conservation implications. The return of bald eagles to ecosystems where they were previously extirpated has created measurable ecological changes. Increased predation pressure on invasive fish species in the Great Lakes region. Reduced prevalence of certain fish diseases in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. Enhanced forest growth rates near nesting sites in the Pacific Northwest. Greater biodiversity in riparian zones with established eagle territories. More efficient nutrient cycling between aquatic and terrestrial systems. This extensive ecological influence underscores why bald eagle conservation represents more than saving a single charismatic species. It maintains essential ecological processes that benefit countless other organisms and ecosystem functions across North America. That beautifully encapsulates the essential ecological benefits that bald eagles bestow upon their cherished habitats and ecosystems. Freya, given the profound importance of this breathtaking bird, would you fervently join me in exploring the vibrant cultural heritage of the Coastal Salish people? Together, let's uncover the rich traditions and captivating stories that celebrate this magnificent creature, illuminating its deep symbolism and profound significance woven into the very fabric of their history.
Hello, Caleb. I am thrilled to share with you and your audience the profound cultural significance of the bald eagle in the Coastal Salish culture. This majestic creature embodies power and spirituality, serving as a powerful symbol of connection to the natural world and the rich traditions that honor it. The spiritual significance of the bald eagle to the Coast Salish people. The Coast Salish people, whose ancestral lands stretch across the coastal regions of British Columbia and Washington state, hold the bald eagle in profound reverence. This majestic bird is not just a symbol of strength and freedom but also a powerful spiritual guide, bridging the human and spirit worlds. For generations, the eagle has been regarded as a messenger capable of carrying prayers to the Creator and returning with wisdom and insight, reinforcing its role as a sacred being in Coast Salish culture. A messenger between worlds. To the Coast Salish, the bald eagle embodies vision, freedom, and the pursuit of enlightenment. Its ability to soar high above the earth symbolizes a perspective beyond human limitations, inspiring individuals to seek higher understanding. The eagle's keen eyesight is especially significant, representing spiritual insight and the capacity to perceive truths that are hidden from ordinary view. Coast Salish spiritual leaders, known as shamans, honor the eagle's extraordinary vision, believing it can see beyond the physical realm. This unique ability is thought to help shamans interpret dreams and visions, guiding their communities with wisdom and clarity. By embracing the eagle's symbolism of strength and foresight, these leaders fulfill their roles as healers and guides, ensuring the well-being of their people and maintaining harmony within the community. The power of eagle feathers. Eagle feathers are among the most sacred elements in Coast Salish spiritual practices. Used by shamans to sweep away negative energies and illnesses, these feathers are believed to carry prayers to the heavens and bring back healing energy. In traditional ceremonies, they fan the smoke of sacred plants like cedar and sage, purifying individuals, places, and objects while creating a harmonious environment. This ancient practice, rooted in deep spiritual beliefs, enhances the essence of the smoke and releases negative energies, promoting peace and balance. Through song and invocation of spirits, shamans amplify the power of eagle feathers, channeling positive energies to foster holistic well-being. A symbol of honor and responsibility. Receiving an eagle feather is one of the highest honors in Coast Salish culture, symbolizing respect, courage, and a profound connection to the spiritual world. It is bestowed upon warriors, leaders, and individuals who have demonstrated exceptional achievement, integrity, or service to their community. This sacred gift is not merely a token of recognition but a reminder of the recipient's responsibilities and the values they are expected to uphold. The ceremony of receiving an eagle feather underscores its significance, charging the recipient with the duty to live by the principles it represents. As they carry this symbol, they inspire others and strengthen the bonds within their community, continuing a legacy that honors the teachings of their ancestors. Artistic expressions of cultural identity. The eagle's significance is also beautifully expressed in Coast Salish art, known for its flowing rounded designs that often depict animals with spiritual importance. The eagle frequently appears in these artworks, symbolizing strength, freedom, and the connection between earth and the heavens. Totem poles intricately carved with eagles at their peaks symbolize protection and spiritual oversight. Here, the eagle represents a guardian spirit, watching over the tribe and guiding them through life's challenges. This powerful imagery reflects the community's values of hope, resilience, and interconnectedness. Revitalizing tradition through modern art. Coast Salish artists, such as Susan Point, have revitalized traditional art forms by blending ancient symbolism with modern aesthetics. Her work often features eagles, celebrating their cultural legacy and spiritual significance. By reimagining these powerful symbols, Point bridges the past with contemporary life, inviting a broader audience to appreciate the depth of Coast Salish cultural narratives. Conclusion. Honoring tradition and spirituality. For the Coast Salish people, the bald eagle is far more than a majestic bird. It is a powerful spiritual guide, a protector, and a symbol of strength, courage, and enlightenment. Through its presence in myths, ceremonies, and art, the eagle continues to inspire respect for nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. By honoring the eagle's spiritual significance, the Coast Salish people preserve a rich cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations carry forward the wisdom, values, and traditions of their ancestors. Well, that beautifully encapsulates the rich tapestry of cultural practices from the Salish tribe. May you find yourself deeply inspired by these remarkable historical cultural events that resonate with the heart and soul of their heritage.
Wow, Freya, that was absolutely captivating information about the vibrant cultural heritage of the Coast Salish people and their profound connection to the majestic bald eagle. As we draw our documentary to a close, I truly hope you are inspired and enriched with newfound knowledge from our short film. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, always embrace the joy of learning. And remember, always stay knowledgeable.